love Dermstore. I love Dermstore. We all love Dermstore. And we have a new beauty edit to unbox today. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today where we're doing yet again another unboxing, and this happens to be from one of our favorite companies. This unboxing is presented by Dermstore. Now if you don't know Dermstore yet, you will find this is a favorite of mine here on the channel, and honestly there's a good reason why it's a favorite. They will give us some of the best deals on beauty products, and they will create collections such as this one where you will get an entire bag full of beauty products, but all at a discounted rate. So this is one of the reasons why I love them. It's great beauty products, it's a great price point, and they're just very easy to work with. So if you guys are interested in this bundle that I'm going to share with you today, I will have a link and a coupon code all listed down below. So this bundle is called the Skin Goals Bundle, and it is supposed to have over $500 worth of products inside of it. However, you can purchase it for only $150, and that is before my coupon code. So if you guys use my coupon code down below and you use my link, you're actually going to save a little bit more off of this on top of that. And I'm pretty sure you'll also get like some free bonus like samples and products as well. Dermstore is doing a new thing where with every order you're getting samples, and then the more you spend they'll throw in some more samples as well. So when you go to checkout, just look for that. Mine usually shows up on like the side of the checkout cart, and it'll say, hey, you qualified for a free sample, and then you can choose what you want. So you should be able to get some additional products on top of it if you order this bag. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this bag. First off, same packaging as usual. They use this bag for a lot of their bundles, but really great quality. Nice zipper. They're big and they have a lot of room in them, which is perfect because there's a lot of products in here. I don't want any of it to fall out, but I want to kind of show you what I'm looking at. Do you see this? Do you see how many products are in here? So online it says that we're supposed to have 11 products inside of this bag. They're not all going to be full-size products, but we will have some that are full-size. But the goal is to give us the best skin and the best hair by means of these products. So some of them will be full size and then a few of them will be travel sized as well. So first item that we have inside of our bag today is from One Love. This is their cleansing oil. This one is a full size product at 4 ounces. This is going to feature vitamin B complexes. So there's papaya, pumpkin, and sunflower oils. These will add moisture back to your skin without stripping your skin or irritating it by means of the cleansing effect. So this is basically a gentle cleanser, so it's safe for sensitive skin even. This is what it will look like. Here is a glass bottle, and then it has a pump up at the top. This product, you do want to shake it up because it does settle a little bit. So shake it up first, and then you'll pump out however much oil you need, and it will cleanse your skin, get rid of makeup, dirt, and impurities. But like I said, it's not going to strip it. The next item that we have in here today, oh, this is my favorite. I use this today. I use it all the time, but I did use it today too, because I washed my hair today. So this is from Briogeo. This is a full-size product. This is their Farewell Frizz, and it's a leave-in conditioning spray. If you guys are struggling right now in winter with dry hair or flakes or split ends or frizz, this is what you need. So I'm going to highly recommend this. I get nothing out of this. It's not like an endorsement or anything like that, but I love this product. So it's easy to apply. I just wait till my hair is damp. I kind of towel dry it off first. And then before I even brush it, I will spritz this on all of my hair. So I'll do it on the top. I'll come down here and do like underneath because you want to make sure you get all of it. And then I will brush it after that, and it kind of works all that conditioner in. And then it's a leave-in, so you don't rinse it out, and it will help you with any of the dryness or the frizz, anything like that. So love this product. It's 5 ounces. Like I said, it is full size. This one is really good. It's also a detangler, so that's another reason why I wait to do it till after I brush my hair after I apply it. That way it'll help with any tangles that I have. I see why that's on their best of list, so that's great. The next item that we have in here is from Moroccanoil. This is their dry body oil. This is a full-size product. It's paraben-free, mineral oil-free, and cruelty-free. And this oil will help to lock in moisture. Now, anytime you see oil, that does not mean that it creates moisture. So like a lotion will be water-based and it will have that hydration in it. Oils are designed to lock the skin. They're basically going to seal whatever moisture you have and prevent that moisture from escaping. So my tip whenever I have oils is use your lotions, your moisturizers first, and then follow up with an oil afterwards. That way you'll be ultra protected. You've got that hydration in there. So this is what it will look like here. This is a glass bottle, and you can leave it like this, or it also comes with a pump inside of the box. So you have an option of how you want to apply your product. But this one is 1.7 ounces or 50 ml, and it just says that you're going to apply this directly to the skin and lightly massage it in. So it will be really soft. I do find with oils that it does give you a little bit of a smooth glazed effect. You know how oil is. It's a little slippery. So really work that in, and that way it will also give you kind of this shiny, dewy glow. You know, I didn't even think to check prices on these as I went along, and I'm looking on the Dermstore website. It doesn't list the price next to each of these items. But honestly, I trust Dermstore a lot. We've had such great success with them that I do believe that this will be at $500. So I don't have the prices in front of me, but so far with what I'm seeing of those full-size products, I think we're definitely on track to hit it. Next up, we have a product from Grown Alchemist. This one is the Restorative Hand Cream. So this one is a hand lotion. It will give you hydration, and it's going to repair any damage. I believe this is travel size. It's 20 ml. It just doesn't look big enough to be a full-size product. So this is what it will look like here. But this one is going to be a really intense treatment. So if you have really dry, cracked hands, this is perfect. My grandma would have loved this back in the day when she was washing dishes all the time and wearing her hands out. This is what she needed. Now we got dishwashers, so we don't need to have grandma put her hands in the water anymore. But I know that would have been perfect. We have Medicaid in here. You guys know I get so excited with this brand. So this one is the Surface Radiance Cleanser. So this will help to break down texture and cleanse at the same time. There are AHAs and BHAs in here. So those are the acids that will break down the texture, the dry skin, the bumps. It mentions that it uses citrus extracts and mangosteen. This is a gel product, so it's not a lotion. I thought it was a lotion, but it's actually a gel. And it says it will help your skin to feel soft and look radiant afterwards. So you'll just use a little bit, you're gonna rub this together, and then you can use it all over your body to cleanse and get rid of any texture. This next product is so expensive. If you guys have not seen anything from BioEffect, I'm telling you, look it up, see how expensive this is. This is their EGF serum. So it's 5 ml of product is what we have here. This serum is designed to take down wrinkles, and it's an anti-aging product. It also will take care of redness or like any irritation that you have at the same time. I talk about this every time, and I feel like I always repeat myself, so hopefully you guys don't get tired of it. But the idea behind this is they use water from Iceland, and that's like their secret ingredient. So they use that along with some other ingredients and create this proprietary blend that works specifically on wrinkles. So it's a very powerful treatment process. You don't need a lot of this, and you only want to put this in a small, you don't put it all over your face. You just put it where the wrinkle is, and it will help to erase those lines over time. But this one is a very expensive brand, and it's mostly because they have had results with their products. That's one of those products that you want to find in bags and bundles like this because you can't afford to buy it on its own. So getting it in a bundle like this is a steal of a deal. In terms of the 150, I feel like we've already made that back, you guys. Like, seriously, you could buy just a couple of these products and it would pay for the entire bag. But we're not done. Look at this. I'm only halfway through this. Okay, next item that we have in here is from Obagi. This probably just paid for the whole bag, you guys. This is a full-size product too. So 20% vitamin C. This is an antioxidant serum. This serum will help to brighten and even out your skin's tone, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and it's also going to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, so you will have glowing, hydrated skin and younger looking skin after using this product. Now, Obagi is so expensive, you guys. I mean, this one, again, you don't really want to pay for this, because if you can get it in a bundle like this, it's a fraction of the price. And if you've never tried it before, this is the way I'm going to recommend you to try it, is get it in a bundle like this. This isn't a subscription, so you won't even get charged for it again. It's a one-time purchase. Then you'll try it out, see if you like it, and then you can go rebuy it down the road. But for now, if you really want to try it out and see if you have results, this will be the cheapest way for you to do that. So this is a full-size product. It's all sealed here, and then it does come with a glass dropper inside of the box as well. The next item that we have is huge. Oh, this is Paula's choice. Paula, I love your choices. I just gotta tell you, I love them. This is the body treatment. So it's 2% BHAs. They are really going for ultra smoothing products in this bag. And I mean, that's the whole point, is to have smoother skin. So this will do it. This will break down texture, bumpy skin. I've not used this product, but I do like right away on the top here, it says there's salicylic acid in here. That's a great acid at breaking down texture and bumps. But there's also chamomile in here, green tea. There's flower extracts, some fruit extracts as well. So there's natural ingredients also that will help to break down some texture as well. So it sounds like this is gonna be good. Additionally, we are going to have an overnight repairing cream. This one is from Murad, and it is a vitamin C cream. So the idea is it will give you brighter, hydrated skin, but you want to apply this on right before bed, and then it will give you the best results then. So this is a full-size product, and it's essentially your moisturizer. And then up at the top, you're just gonna press down on this little pad and the moisturizer will come up above. So this one is really good as well. I have used it in the past. I did find that my skin was softer after using it, which again, kind of the whole point of this bag. So at least it does what, it says it's gonna do. We do have a scalp product in here as well, so we can't forget about the skin on top of our heads. This one is from Orave, and it's an oil controlling scalp serum. So it is travel size that we have here, but I would think you probably wouldn't need much of this, right? I mean, you're gonna put it over top of all of this, but I don't feel like you'd need a lot. So this one, for a size, is 20 mil or 0.67 ounces. 20 mil is quite a bit for, I would say this is travel size. I mean, that's quite a bit for you to try it out, see if you like it. You should know if it's good or not. But this will help prevent flakes in any dryness that you have on your scalp. So if you put this down, it will calm down irritation as well, and then help to hydrate it. And the last official item inside of our bag today is from R&Co, and this is another hair care product designed to give you moisture. So it's aptly called Waterfall. This one is cruelty-free. It's also vegan. You'll just apply this onto wet hair and then blow dry it in. But like I said, it's supposed to give you moisture back to your hair and prevent split ends. It also says that it gives it a little bit of a shine as well. It's not going to be, I feel like if you want a true shine, you need like an oil, but this will give it a healthy, natural shine. So that is everything inside of our Dermstore edit today. There were 11 items inside of this bag, so I can confirm, and that is all 11 of the products. So again, if you guys are interested in this bag, if you order it right now, you will receive everything that I just showed you. Honestly, you guys, Dermstore is doing it again. They are killing it when it comes to beauty. And I know they have a subscription box, but ironically, I'm starting to love these beauty edits a little bit more because it's not a subscription. It's just like a one-time purchase. You know what I mean? And then you get all of these products. I mean, there's a lot here. So if you guys want to try it out, I've got you covered with that link down below, and you'll save some money off with my discount code. Plus, you'll be able to get some free bonus products at checkout as well. But I mean, how can you not say this is a good deal? So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!